Okay, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the Professional Bowling Association. Off tour. He's been on tour now for 6 months. He's back. He's got his ball. He's got his bag. He's got his sister, Paula, here.
And brother-in-law,
And
Ole.
his brother-in-law.
He's good.
Look at this.
202's been my highest game.
He's got his shoes.
100's been my lowest.
Wow, look at that.
Look at this
Look at this guy's ball in his bag.
Y'all be looking for me soon on ESP6.
Who sponsors you? No sponsors. Oh, sponsored by Ebonite. Big competitor of Nike.
Hey, now he's gonna perform. He's gonna show us what he does to be him.
Sir, could you give us a few pointers?
You stay.
That's... You can't find that on YouTube. That's good stuff.
Oh, man.